Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, sir, ma'am, or our parents. First of all, praise be to Allah. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Afsana Parveen. I am from Baraipur. I read in class 5 in Khadijatul Kubra Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anha Girls Mission. That is what I will talk about. Respect teacher. A teacher is a person who provides education to students. After parents, teachers play a vital role to shape our lives. They are the only one who can actually guide their students in many aspects. They have the power to change their dull pupils into brilliant stars and efficient citizens, as it is rightly said. They are a teacher affect eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Islam also gives respect to teacher. According to Hazrat Ali Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, I am a slave to anyone ever taught me even a single word. So finally I pray to Allah, oh Allah, grant our Muslim brothers and sisters the ability to respect their teacher. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.